Uh, Hi Rajni, how are you?
Yes, I'm doing great. What about you?
I'm also doing great. I'm very elated to have a session with you once again. Yes.
Okay, nice. Same here.
Yeah.
Same here, ma'am.
So,
So, do you have
and
topic? Otherwise, we can play any role.
okay, if you
Okay.
have some new ideas to play any role, so definitely play it. Uh,
Okay. Okay. Actually, you are my friend, and I am going to the market, and suddenly, any you met suddenly. So then we have conversation start.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
So,
So,
in the
yes.
market, I
Yes.
cross you suddenly.
Yes. Actually, I am going to the market. I am going to the market, and suddenly you met
Yeah, I got it.
path. So then we started conversation.
Yeah. Okay. So,
Yes.
hi Rajni, how
Hi,
come
how are you? Hi,
how
Pooja, how are you?
I'm fine. How come you are here in the market?
Yes,
Uh,
actually, I am going to the market for reading the book. Actually, for a book, yes.
okay.
You know very well, I am learning English and I don't have more much vocabulary. So one guy suggests to me, you should read the book. So that's why I am going to the market. So
Yeah.
why are you going to the market?
In order
Do
to
you
purchase
to
books.
purchase something?
Yeah, I also have to purchase something. I had to purchase some school books and a school bag for my daughter.
Okay.
That's why I am here. So,
Okay, okay. Now.
what type of books have you selected?
Yes, I want to purchase a romantic book. But
Okay.
I when I start reading, so that times I get bored. But I think I will try to read romantic book.
Yeah, so that you would not be bored with that. Yeah, I got it.
Exactly. Yes. Yes.
Earlier,
So
you
let's get
romantic type
yes.
person, I know.
Yes. Okay. So
If
yes.
we want to learn any book, so definitely we have to select the topic in which we are comfortable, in which we are interested. So
Yes,
definitely
exactly.
you thought the good idea to read this type of books. So have you selected any book?
Yes, I selected any book, but I like romantic book.
Yeah. So have you got any book? Have you got?
No, ma'am. Recently, I haven't booked any yet.
Okay.
Yes.
So what
So
else do you have to purchase from the market? Anything
yes,
else?
yes, I want to purchase from market, so that's why I am going to the market. And I asked because I was sit in my room, so then suddenly I realized I should purchase the some book, and then I said to my mom, actually I have to purchase some books, so that's why I want to go to the market. So then my mom said to me, okay, you can go, but come back soon. Okay, but then I said to my mom, okay mom, I will come back soon. So that's why I am going to the market, and suddenly met in the path. So please let's go to the market.
Yeah, let's go to the market. Now
Okay.
we are together, and this way we can select good books, some more good books we can select. And as well as you will help me in purchasing the school books and school bags for my daughters. Okay.
Okay, okay. I will help you. So, so Pooja, please let me know what are you doing right now, because I have been met long time.
Yeah.
We have met long time. So, Please let me know what are you doing right now.
Yeah, definitely. Yes, dear. Just like you are learning English these days, I am watching your videos. Through your videos, I got to know that you are learning English and you are very fond of speaking English. Same way,
Okay.
these days I am also learning English. So
Okay,
I
same.
also, yeah,
Yes, yes. Please continue, continue.
and same way I also read books, but I'm reading story books, story for
Okay,
just like
okay,
I have a book, Panchatantra stories, in which,
okay,
in which kids stories are there. So
okay,
because they are the stories for kids, so they are in very simple English and in a very simple structures are used in that book. So I'm reading
okay.
that book and I'm getting more and more advantage with that. Ever since I have started reading that book, I'm improving. Yeah,
Okay. Okay, nice. That's good. I think this idea is good for improving your vocabulary.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
definitely. In that
Actually, yes,
in that
yes.
book, I got to know many words with which I was not familiar. So I learned a lot of vocabulary from that book, and apart from this, I am getting some good life lessons by that book.
Okay,
Actually,
yeah, exactly.
stories are moral stories. Okay,
Okay,
by the help of animals, the writer tries to teach a good lesson, moral lesson to the children. So
okay,
that
okay.
I'm not only improving my English, but also I'm learning some lessons of life. Yes.
Okay, okay, nice. That's good. Actually, same here. I am learning English, and I have been learning English so long times. So that times I asked every person, "Could you help me?" But nobody helped me. But I don't know you are learning English also because
Yeah.
when I knew that you are learning English, so that times I connected you for helping.
Yeah,
But
definitely.
it's okay, don't
We
worry.
will,
This times, yes, yes,
we
please.
will help each other. Not only I, we will help each other because in learning English, we need any partner.
Yes,
So
exactly.
you to my partner. So please be my partner in learning English.
Okay, okay. Okay. So please let me know about yourself. What are you doing apart from this? Because you are learning English, and I think which does you are doing the I think something for improving English apart from this, because you are taking the some session, and even I am taking the some session. So please let me know. Some please give me some advice.
Yeah, thanks for motivating me, dear. And apart from reading books, I also speak with my daughters
Okay.
whenever I get time, whenever I get chance, whenever I have to speak with them. So I keep speaking with them in English. This way, I'm trying to speak English because,
Okay.
as you know, there are four pillars of learning English: reading,
Okay.
listening, writing, and speaking. So
Yes, yes.
from reading books, I am trying to speak with my kids. That's how I am doing the practice of speaking. And
Okay.
for listening is concerned, I always try to listen any English content. Just like I am homemaker and I have to do a lot of work in home. So when
Okay.
I am doing some work in kitchen, I'm making the sabzi or making the chapatis. So I
Okay.
just put my mobile aside and play some English content or any podcast, any conversation videos, and just keep listening and just doing my work.
Okay, okay, nice, nice. That's
As
good.
writing is concerned, so sometime when any idea comes in my mind,
Okay.
so I
Yeah.
try to write down in my notebook. This way,
Okay.
I'm in practice and I'm taking lots of sessions. If
Okay.
uh, if our time matches, then we take a lot of sessions by which we are able to remove my
Okay.
hesitation.
Okay. I think this session, I think when we try to take the session, so I think this way is very good for improving English as well, your confidence. That's it.
That's good
But this,
method.
yes,
As you
yes,
mentioned that you make any fake story. So I think this is the very good way to improve English by
yes,
ourselves. There is no need of anybody.
yes, yes.
Make any fake story and just tell to yourself.
Yes, I have, I knew because I know very well. You told me because you was watching my channel.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes,
I'm your subscriber too. Yeah.
yes, yes. I know very well.
Yeah.
Yes. So
Your
I think
your channel's name is on my tongue. English with
okay,
Rajni. Yes.
okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. So please let me know how is my video this
Yeah, very
time.
nice. Very nice. And you taught in those videos in a very easy way, in a very natural way. You are teaching in those videos. Yeah.
Yes. No, ma'am, because these times I am taking the some session. So, how did you recognize? Because I am learning English and I am improving.
Yeah, definitely you are improving. Now you are taking sessions, so definitely it is a very beneficial method to improve. Yeah,
Yes.
definitely.
Okay. Actually, I feel something like this. I am getting improved. Why this session?
You are improving. And one thing that you have mentioned that you watch your videos after recording. So it's
Yes.
a very good method to figure out our mistakes by our,
Yes. Yes.
because there is no need of anybody who can tell me my mistakes. It's only me who can watch the videos of our again, and we can figure out our mistakes and we can remove them. So this
Yes.
is good way. You are doing very nice. You are doing the perfect way of learning English.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. So, I think
Yeah.
so. So, do you have any question about me? Any question related to speaking?
So tell me the role of YouTube in your life.
I think I watch Dehati Madam.
Yes.
I think when I started making the video, so that time I watched her video,
In start.
and I yes I learned lots of things from Dehati Madam. But these times I am trying to connect to the yes her.
Motivation. She is the great motivation of every learner. We
Yes.
all are inspired by her. I know. I'm also inspired by her.
Actually, when I started YouTube channel, so that times I made the video. Actually, I given the structures how to learn English with the help of structures.
Yes,
But
yes,
when I watched the Hati Madam videos, so that times I decided I should make the video kind of this. So then I got received one comment you should make the kind of this video. So then
yes.
I started. Yes.
That's how YouTube is playing a very great role in your life. we can say. Yes.
Yes.
But it was
So,
very good session, and now I
yes.
have to end up this session. We will meet again
Okay,
with
ma'am.
some.
Next times, yes, next times I will meet. Then I will make the play role again and another character.
Yeah, with new roles, with new
Yes, ma'am.
topics, we will meet again.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
So
Okay, dear.
nice to talk to you, ma'am. Thank you. Bye
Yeah.
bye.